All right, welcome everybody to today's Devstream. We have our character of the day, Vordan, and let's just get into things. So, first what I want to do is continue working on this deck builder because we hadn't fully established the new button that we wanted to add right here. It's rather plain looking at the moment. And that will be I didn't mean to pop that up on this screen, blinding you with light, is going to be a clear all button, clear all cards, so that it's just a shortcut to allow you to redo your deck really quickly. Something I just noticed though, is this going to be enough space for that, text-wise? Maybe, maybe not. let's first go over to a different layer and try to get this right font size. And mind you, this is all just a temporary font. Okay, and that's too big, so maybe it's 30. Or just a different font. Yeah, it's not the right font. This one? No. I don't think so, no. Maybe? Yeah, that's not it. This is pain. I wish this was being done in Engine. You know what? We're just going to use this font because it's close enough. That font's longer. We don't know what the length of our font will be in the end. Here, all. Well, that actually fits quite well, I think. All right. Let's have the paint program talk with me, and then we'll go back over here and actually start. I'll start by deleting this, and let's see here. Let's grab this yellow. And what I'm going to do is draw a line of yellow out this way and get this line established here. Like that, right? And then we'll get rid of this and this. Let's now get rid of that. And grab this color. And I probably shouldn't be working with this color now that I think about it, but oh well. We're working with it right now anyway. Not that. Okay, let's grab this color out here. I want to verify something real quick. Yeah, there's a line in between. I don't think I want that though. What I'm going to do is like that. Issue is that's got spacing issues. Let's not do that. Yeah, I think that looks better there. So let's grab that color. I'm going to grab this part, copy paste in here like that. We'll get rid of this. And we'll grab that and we'll fill that in. This, fill this in. Now we just need to finish this out. If I can find my invisible slider down here. There it is. So we'll grab it here and we'll bring out a line like that. Fill that in. Okay. Let's get this text better positioned in here. There's definitely not enough spacing on this side. How much spacing is here? 4. Don't. That might be too far. Let me look at this clock. As well as these. How much space is in these? There's only 3 there, so 4 is technically acceptable. But is it preferred? That's 6. And that's 8. Which is this? 9, 6. That's 6. Probably the best we're going to get. Let me just edit that font a little bit. At least as of side to side right now, assuming that this top to bottom is right, that's 8. And I have a feeling it is not. But it is. Okay, well that saves me a lot of trouble. So then, the method to get this set. So this would, I need to make this go away. Oh. Actually, you know what? I'm just going to delete this back to here. And then we're going to grab this and pull this forward. And this is where we run into issues. I think this would only need to be even with that. Meaning that if I grab this, copy, paste. Actually, this needs to be on a different layer. Paste. Get that. Then I can merge those layers. But this feels weird right here. I'd want to bring that out. And then some fake glow in there. Issue is as those are butting into each other. This is against this side, so I should be able to move this against this side. Okay. I'll grab this. I'll move this against the side like that. How many did that move in? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With that, I'll go ahead and merge these two down. Yeah. There we go. So what I'll do now is I want to delete this corner here. And just grab this. There we go. Okay. By the way, if anybody in chat has any questions, let me know. Let's take a look at it from on high. I think the lines work. Unsure about the spacing though, that might not be enough. Even after pulling it all the way back. And this box does not feel like it fits in here properly. So if we bring this out here, I can't tell if that's lining up or one off. Lined up. Okay, and then we'll pull this across. And then we'll do a similar thing over here. Like that-ish. Let's get this centered. This should be 97. This will probably be like 60, 77. That's close. maybe about there. Let's see here. That's 82. It's 92. So it needs to go 5 more. That should be centered. Let's see here. That is 77. Actually, that is not. That made it worse. I need to go 5 back over this way. That's what I need to do. 5. I need to move 5, but in the correct direction, not the wrong direction. That is 87, and this should be 87. Yep. So we'll grab that color, fill, and bam. I'm pretty sure this is not going to work right here, but we'll see how this looks. Seems better. But yeah, that area definitely does not work as expected. So, what I want to do is get rid of this. We'll grab this color, zoom in a little bit more, pull this out, like that. This in and this in. There we go. And I'll look back at it. I feel like that gap is too big. There's something with the lines are not working as well. I feel it is and isn't working at the same time, which is weird. Yeah. I think what I need to do is grab this. We will copy that and do a new layer. Paste this on here. And then we'll move this back about there. Okay, and then what we'll do is then take this area, put this back like this, and then I'll go back to hide that layer, and I will come over here and delete on the right layer. Here we go. We'll delete that, then we'll bring this layer back. Then delete that bit from that layer. And let's see how things line up now. Seems right on point. Yeah. Oh, what I want to do now is I want to measure this point to this point, which is 87, and then I want to measure from here to, oh god, that's hard to see. There's something weird going on here. Okay, let's delete this. Okay, let's go ahead and merge that down. Let's bring the background back. Okay. Let's measure here to here. The other was 87, that's 88. But was it 88 or 89? 89. So what I want to do is I want to bring this one pixel over to the side, like that. Grab that. Put that in. All right, let's take a look at it back from back far. Not that far though. I think that might work. Okay, let's go ahead and save this as Jet Builder number 38. Something also I need to do is get these arrows settled. I believe that one's in the right place, but these two aren't. Let's double check and make sure this one's in the right place before we go moving everything. I don't think that measurement is correct. It isn't. Okay. That is 431. $428. Oh, 431 and 428. It said it needs to come up by one, I believe, and then that'll be as close to center as we can get it. That's 430, and this should be 429. Yep. So this one's in the right place now, but it needs to be the right arrow, which we'll get rid of that one. I'll grab this one, copy, go to a different layer, paste, put that layer vertically. Oh, I didn't flip it the right way. Flip that layer horizontally. And now I gotta find it. Where is it? Where in the world is Waldo? There's Waldo. Okay. I can then be merged down. So let's grab this yellow here. And first what I want to do is grab like this. And then we'll put a yellow line right there. Good enough. So then if I come over here, grab this, and move this down just till it's touching that, that should be right. So let's find out. Zoom in. Right on the bottom, and it is one extra space on the top. Same thing over here. So they are good. Let's go ahead and give it a save. Yep. Okay. With that, that should be done. So let's go over to the to-do list and move this to getting feedback on it. And then we'll move on to the next thing. And what do we want to work on next? Studio logo, card logo, or there's a couple other things. Yeah. What I actually want to work on is that, which is these right here. So, eliminated my old font. That's definitely not good. So when I look at people's feedback, I think the lowest people are referring to is 100. So let me see here. Let me grab this, and we will wipe out all of these. I think the highest people are referring to, they're to be insensible, would be 140. So then, let's move that back. And start by I think what I want to start by is grabbing. I need to be a bit better zoom. I wish I could zoom at the same time I'm grabbing stuff, but I can't. these and move them up. We're top of row A, so row B becomes row A. That. And then next thing I want to do is wipe out row 94. Now the best way to do that would probably be grab it here, A, B, and C, and then we'll move this and wipe them out this way. That. And I also want to wipe out 150. Find magic pixel right there. And then we'll bring this out to here, and then we'll verify that this is where we want it to be. Yep. Drop to selection. There we go. So then yeah. So then now I want to make a new row here for D. And we'll call this 82 A/B test. So for this one, I want to go back to my font. Let's go ahead and kill 94, and we'll kill 150. I'll turn on 100 for now, because that'll be where we start. Okay. Let's duplicate that, and we'll call this 4.0. All right, we'll turn that on. And there's something I want to look up real quick. So, let's see here. What color did this one use? Right here. It would help if I'm on the right layer. Is 111111 hex code. I'm gonna try this hex code here. Let's see what this like. So if I go with this one and then I go like this and I do like that, you know, that's on the purple side. It's not bad. I think that definitely lends itself. So, let's save this as 82. And then what we need to do is save this down as each of the things. So save as PNG, and I'll label this as a demo. So we'll select all, copy, or here, fill that layer, zoom in a little bit, and we'll paste this in. Down to the bottom like that. Make sure that this is lined up. Can't tell. Yeah. I don't know why it almost looks like it's eating in there. Probably a visual illusion from that bit. Okay, let's go ahead and throw a background layer in here. No, honestly, that does not contrast enough. Okay. Alright, that's good enough for now. Let's undo this. And then we'll save it out as 110. PNG. Yep. Replace it. Flatten. Select all. Copy. Paste that in here. That. Undo all of that. Turn off 110, turn on 120. Save it out. So copy, paste. There we go. Just a couple more. Okay, turn off 120, turn on 130. Save it out. Yep. Yep. Select all, copy, and paste. There we go. Undo. Turn off 130, turn on 140. We'll save it out one last time. Okay, and then we will select all, copy, paste in here. Did I say one last time? Yeah, I did. I thought it was going to take one more. Let's see here, let's verify that is 140. And this is 140. Yep. Okay. Save. Then what I want to do is merge these two layers down. Get the font here. We'll call this font A. We'll label this as font B. And we'll label this as font C. It's Sponsy. Sponsy. And go opace. Okay. Yeah, maybe that'll save some confusion. Let me just copy this. Put this out. Because I had some people not realizing what was here. Okay. Save that. Save that. Should be good, I think. So, need to move that to feedback section. That. Off of the list. How are we doing on time? We're getting close to time. Really close. Let's go ahead and call it. Let's go ahead and call it for the day. Thank you, everybody, for watching. I really do appreciate it. Until next time. Oh, and before I do that, make sure to subscribe and, lick the smash button, smash the like button on the channel. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Until then, I'm out.